Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your sheet cut blade on your rolling plotter. Now, this is going to be for the GR series plotter. First step, you're going to go over here to the head unit. And as you get into here, you're going to notice a little white knob on the front. What you're going to do is just basically unscrew this. Once it gets to the point where it's unscrewed enough, probably about to there or so, and it gets loose in there, you see how it's popping off there. You're going to slide this upwards, and since it's angled, you're going to just slide it up like that. Now, the blade you're going to see here is held in by a magnet. So, to replace it, all you do, pull it off, pass it off to the side. At this point, you're now ready for your new blade. So take your new blade, grab it, put it on, just like before, slide it into place. Again, it's held in by a magnet, so just slide it into it to where it fits snug. At that point, you're going to take it back over here, slide it back in at the angle it was before, let it slide in nice and easy. And once it gets into place, just screw it back on. At that point, you're ready to do some more sheet cuts. And that's how you replace your sheet cut blade on your rolling plotter.